All right, Leslie, what would you tell our followers on the cabin stay? We stayed here for 4 nights. Leslie?
Yes.
Okay.
It was good to come to sleep here. They have some fields over here to play. Also, it was nice to watch the matches over there. It has like a mini gym.
The beds are not the most comfortable beds, but I think if you lower your expectations, it's not too bad of a stay. Don't expect 5-star hotel or something like that. But overall, it was fine.
The manager was really nice. The staff over here were really nice. Not like the cruises.
Yeah, staff was pretty good. So we're on to our next place to stay. Stay tuned, and we'll flip over in a moment. See y'all. Alright guys, we made it to our new destination. Bam! Cruise ship. We are staying at the MSC World Europa. And what's cool about this World Cup is they have 2 big cruise ships as residential. 3 cruise ships as residential areas where we can stay. And we're gonna be staying at one of them, so stay tuned. We're gonna jump in a minute after we check in our bags. All right, past security, past the check-in, and look at this big guy. I don't know how many rooms it has. Leslie, do you know?
I have no idea.
Okay, we'll ask them right now. But this is the bigger, nicer cruise ship. Hello. Do we go up here?
Yes, you want.
Do you guys know how many rooms the ship has?
How many?
Yeah.
3,000, 4,000.
Something like that? Okay. All right, thank you. You heard it. 3,000, 4,000 rooms. It's a lot of rooms. 16th floors. What do I do? Elevator dance. This is like a vlog every time we have elevator shots. We're on the 16th floor, up and above. This is Leslie's first time on a cruise ship. We made it inside. Leslie, how do you feel? Lots of little rooms, compact into somewhere, right?
Yeah, we haven't seen our room yet.
And we're looking for our room in this maze. Inside the cruise room. Little tiny cute cruise room. Hello, Leslie.
Hello.
And now we're gonna go outside and explore the ship. We're on top of the cruise ship. Leslie, are you excited for England game?
Yeah, I'm cold.
Leslie's cold. Who's that? Watching the France-Poland game updates. France is winning 1-0. And there's Leslie.
Lewandowski trying to make it
She
his.
is enjoying the game as well.
A bit of indecision at the back. Eventually, Griezmann takes charge and then the control of play.
Back in the room, we went from 2 beds to 1 bed. Because 1 bed is better than 2 beds. But yeah. Just finished watching the Poland-France game. France won that 3-1. Mbappe scored 2 goals, and as of now, Mbappe has more goals than the likes of Neymar, Cristiano Ronaldo, the great Maradona, and the kid's only 23 years old. Pretty crazy. Only the sky's the limit, and we'll see how France do. Next up is England, Senegal. The Senegalese are back to their dancing, and we're gonna go up in the roof deck to watch this guy. Cheers. Let's explain the ship to our followers.
Brazil.
What?
Brazil flag.
Alright, we are gonna get some dinner. Oh, I'm back. Hello. Thank you. Is this an Italian restaurant or what's the...
Yes, there is the Italian restaurant. What we have? Yes, you can.
First alcoholic drink. Cheers. Got some.
No, I had things.
Got our wines, and then one cool thing is this restaurant's entire theme is a soccer ball, like an old school soccer ball with the hexagons. The entire theme of this place is, oh, almost knocked down the wine, is gotta have some soccer balls. It's the World Cup. All right, first dish out. We got a trio of hummus, baba ganoush, and dolma, which is grape leaves with some veggies in there. And Leslie, what is that?
Octopus carpaccio.
And that's the octopus right there? That's like flattened?
Yes.
I've never seen octopus like that. It's interesting looking. Leslie's a carpaccio fan. And then first course up. Salmon, lightly grilled with rice
And grilled veggies.
and grilled veggies. Give the salmon a try. What is it? 1 out of 10. Be honest.
It's okay.
A 10? Alright, good. And then I ordered, what do you call this?
Tortellini. I don't know. Pasta.
Tortellini pasta. Looks good, very simple, classy, delicious. We'll dig in. So we got the Argentinian fans. They're singing, Leslie, and they're gonna win the 3rd World Cup. And the Brazilians are angry. I'm good, thank you. We've got some ice cream with What was it, Leslie? Ah, I forgot the terminology.
Got it,
Oh, fruit cobbler.
do it again.
Fruit cobbler. No, we figure out. No cuts allowed. We do everything live. We don't edit it. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. All right, Leslie. Leslie got the world famous chocolate cake. This was recommended
It's really
by multiple people. Do you want to try it?
Later.
All right. Attempt to try it later.